Yeah, yo, cheesy. What great tonight? What's that?
Skeng, one breath.
Yo, cheesy. What great tonight? What's that?
Welcome my people, bless up everybody. Welcome back to Jamaican Chat. Big up on yourself and big up Father God, because we have life can drop that video again. You don't know a long time when I come vibe with the people them, so we did have to drop that 1 year. And people, I can promise you that 1 year I got hot. Valiant, Shell, Beast of an Era. And Beast of an Era, people, is the EP titled for Skeng Boss himself. Dropped his new EP, Beast of an Era. And right now we're gonna jump in at the review, people, and we're gonna make you check out what going on with Valiant, him shell down the show. Not to mention Skeng also got a brand new a brand new Rolex from Rvssian himself. You don't know them people that one time them are, you know, big up somebody, they throw around expensive gifts. But anyway everybody, stay tuned, stay locked. Please like, share, subscribe on this video. Promise you it's gonna be a hot one. Thank you. Jamaican Chat.
I don't want to go my boyfriend killer.
So we're gonna jump in it now, people. And just for to make you know, we're gonna make you see what going on with Valiant in the place. Munga touch the stage, Kraff touch the stage. So a little line of people, stay tuned. Shellings, make you know the feedback. Give us some like, some share, some commentary down below. Thank you. Big up yourself, Jamaican Chat.
We are looking on the yard, because we're not like to hear what things do, and that's a puppy night. You get in on the bed, or the every night. So I was money in, and if you go by, you can see the food. I mean, when we smile, we are running up police, so it's full of us. And I'm clearance back, and I'm trying to find out if money I can take out of the way. It's trying not to tell me. It's all right. What do you want to say, John? Yeah, man, still up there. Can't do it right, you know?
So much is a good time.
It's 1,000 my place.
So I come before you.
Clara!
Just give it.
Well done, girlfriend. And if I ever forget to give this up, please remind me. If I ever get lost beside me, please don't beside me. That's the fire, my dear. If I ever Bumps me level selector. Alright, God bless people who have been through something, and there you know. Sing the party!
Cause I'm so glad. I know you love me, I won't guess.
Come on, no, you know, man. Hello. Hey, Skeng, you got yourself a night time in a father. Hello. I don't know the song. I want to sing a part of it. Sing a part of it. Let me hear it now. Let me hear it now. Talkie, talkie, 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 now. Hey, turn up the rhythm, my father. Let's say we out here talking in here. Keep on the line, Richard and Pharaoh. What is that? Psycho money and I hear for them, girl. I send the pressure down, make us all of it off them up. If you want to learn, take a picture of the book. Jump on the line and me book a whole book. Hey, man, never the rhythm. Voila. Not too sure about them, but me know about them. Happy with the whole man is ready like
Yeah man, my people, That are it for the performances. And you don't know, last but not least, as I'm telling you, Skeng Dan get a brand new Rolex watch. I'm gonna bring out that on camera, on screen, everybody can see that. And people may know when you think about the performance them. You don't know Kraff, him still, you know, him still a work on him Kraff. And what me know when you think about Valiant, that are the most important, because me think say him a hot topic right now, definitely, because everybody don't see he's being talked about right now, you understand? So when you think about him though, you think him have a positive vibe, him have a good vibe, him a do it for dancehall or what? Me personally feel like say him have a good vibe, and the reason why I like him vibe is because even though listen to him music, him not necessarily a talk about no violence people. You see what I say? Him not really a push no violence in him song them. Yeah, him a talk about Guzum and them look a thing there, look at what thing them, but I'm gonna give that no forward, but him not talk about no violence. You see me now go around the road do this and all of them something there, and yeah, we kind of get tired of them something there. So I say, but let me know what you think about it overall, and check out the full Skeng video. This is Skeng getting brand new Rolex. Everybody, respect Jamaican chat. Pick up.
I'm gonna present something to you. You see? I like how you think about and use them to live, you know? No Rolex. Pretty much.
Stand up, let the punch and sing, man. The Rolex and the normal. Jesus Christ. Rvssian, big up yourself. Nah, man. So you are number 0.